It may be a machine that's had its day in the workplace, but it's still thriving in the world of art. The once omnipresent typewriter is still feeding out highly original productions, as one British artist has been demonstrating. Walking down the street, looking for a perfect spot. This is Kira Rathbone, and she uses her typewriter to create, but she's not writing a novel. She's performing typewriter art. It's as old as the machines themselves and can be traced back to the 1800s. The artist produces an image with letters and symbols on a typewriter, but it's not as simple as it sounds.
Well, once I've decided on the composition and I know roughly what I want to include, then I'm just in the zone, you know. I just, yeah, I know what I want to try and achieve, but keep it open because I like the unexpected elements to creep in. So conversations with people, the wind, you know, it all kind of adds up to what's in the picture.
Rathbone took to the keys as a typewriter artist almost 15 years ago. Even though she tends to picture street life, her portfolio also includes depictions of leading politicians like former US President Barack Obama. The technique requires serious precision, and any mistake is difficult to cover. That's why one picture can take days to finish.
I'm always interested in sort of quite a nice sort of lead-in. People milling around, because they bring what would be just buildings to life. So I'm interested in the life that flows around the buildings.
How did you get these ideas?
It's by accident, actually, yeah.
Her inspiration often comes from casual conversations she has with people who bump into her as she's working in the streets.
If I've been typing for, you know, a couple of hours, then afterwards I'll be walking down the street or talking to somebody, and I'll be seeing in a bit more in characters. So I'll be looking at you and seeing bracket, 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 or yeah, my eye gets more kind of honed in, and I'll be looking at bricks and thinking I hyphen, you know.
Repeatedly hitting the same characters over and over again, using harder and softer keystrokes, Kira is demonstrating that even if you're using a typewriter, a picture can be worth more than 1,000 words.